I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing a little cat. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today my daughter Valentina is here with me. Valentina, you wanna say hi?
Hi.
Today we're drawing a little cat, and we hope you like this lesson since it's for little artists. Okay, let's start in the middle of the paper. We're just gonna do an oval shape.
Okay, I do not. Oh, it's got.
Yeah, you need to open the marker. Like that. We're gonna fill it with black. Now we're gonna do a finger space, okay? And we're gonna do the nose. And the nose is gonna look like a little oval shape. Little.
Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, now we're gonna do the other eye, and it's gonna be the same thing. We're gonna leave a finger space, and then we're gonna do the other oval shape, and we're gonna try these oval shapes to be the same size. So this oval shape is kind of like the same size of the first one. Perfect, good job. Now in the middle of the nose, we're gonna do two curved lines. So one goes from the middle to the left, and the other one goes to the middle to the right. Now we're gonna start doing the face. So I wanna put my finger here, and I wanna start a curve going around my finger up. It's gonna look like this. I wanna go around my finger and up. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna put your finger over here, and we're gonna trace another line. So if it's easy for you, you can put your finger and just trace around it. Now we're gonna do the ears, and it's gonna be like two triangles. So we're gonna start from here. We're gonna go up and down, and then on the other side I want to do the same thing, up and down, and we're gonna leave a space here in the middle. Good. Now we're gonna join these two with a line like this, with a curve. Okay, we're gonna do the body in the back. So we're gonna start from the ear, and we're gonna go down kind of like a big letter C, and it's gonna look like this. I want to start here on the ear, and I want to go down and around, and I want to do a big letter C, and I want to stop when I get here. Okay, when I get to this distance, it's about a finger space here of a space. So from the ear, big letter C to the back, and stop when we get to the headline. Now we're gonna do the tail. So we're gonna go up like a backwards letter C. Okay, good job. Now stop right there. Now we're gonna put a little dot here, where we're gonna, like, little dot in the back here.
Right here?
Now we're gonna bring this line to the dot, and it's gonna go like this. It's gonna curve until I touch the dot. It's the tail. Yeah, go up, and join to the point. Okay, from this eye, I wanna go down, and I wanna put a little dot right here, kind of like a line with the tail. Down, dot. Dot right there. So now we're gonna do a line that goes from the tail to the dot.
Okay, from the tail to the dot.
Good. And now we're gonna do a curve that goes from this point that we did up here.
Alright, now it's time to color.
Almost time to color, yes. So actually, we're gonna do now the details with the colors and the whiskers at the end. So there, that's it. We finished this little cat that is just having a good rest there. And now my favorite part is coming, and that is,
let's color.
okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our cats turn out. With the colors, we decided to color it differently. I went for gray, and Valentina went for like a light peach color, right?
Yeah.
And it looks really nice. What do you think, Vale?
Great, but I accidentally colored the end of the tail, so.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah,
it looks really cute.
Guys, I want to tell you knock joke. Knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Orange, you glad I didn't say banana?
Ah, that's a good one. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.